No, I thought it was a great company, very good, positive experience. I definitely will be coming back for future hires. So overall, I thought Bree was amazing. She was absolutely gem. Did a really good job working with me. Total positive vibes. Anytime I request information, she was completely on top, very good at communicating. And she did a good job too of communicating directly with the applicants as well. Very good intermediary. Anytime I asked for something, because we have a pretty extensive interview process, she got the information to applicants, and very quickly the responses came back, and that's how I could tell actually who are the serious applicants. So my hiring manager, I explained to her in detail what type of candidates we were looking for. And literally in less than a week later, there was 9 potential candidates. I did initial interviews, first round with all 9. And then we narrowed it down to 3 potential candidates. And then we had a second interview. And then after that second round of interviews, I put forth the offers to the candidates, and then all 3 candidates accepted the position. It's actually very impressed with their fluency in English. They were actually better candidates than the candidates I've had interviewing here in the Michigan office with regards to language proficiency in both Spanish and English. Yeah, it worked out very well.